Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, unboxing fans, this is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, with yet another Vitamin Shoppe unboxing. I'm not sponsored by Vitamin Shoppe, but I'd love to be, or any of the products that you're going to see in this unboxing. I took advantage of their Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Toke Thursday deal and ordered some energy drinks and stuff. This is a Bang energy drink unboxing from Vitamin Shoppe. This is a new to me flavor. It came out this year and was exclusive to our veterans on military bases only. This is Bang Potent Brain and Body Fuel Strawberry Blast. In moderation, I utilize energy drinks like Bang to get me through my work and work out. In moderation, I can't wait to try this. This is 300 milligrams of caffeine. Strawberry Blast. I love strawberry, and I don't know what blast is supposed to indicate, but I can't wait to find out. It's got a cool design. It's got some kind of airplane or some sort. But I will be doing a taste test and review, so check that video out. Please subscribe, please share. If you want to help support my channel, cash at me at London Hawthorne. Go to riptapparel.com, riptapparel.com. My dog's super hyped for my video. You gotta go see if he's okay. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day.